I firmly believe for a number of years that houses can be built to a very, very high standard, including all renewable technologies to produce a low-cost house, a low-energy performing house, but without the requirement of pushing the premium costs that most developers do. So I think that's the focus that we bring to it, is that clarity of thought of building high-tech houses at an affordable price. The SpineLock concept came about for a desire to build modular buildings as much as possible off-site. The difficulty with that is when you bring several parts of a building together on-site, is joining them together. Airtight, weathertight connections have always been an issue with modular buildings. Trying to bolt them together was proving difficult. So the concept of the SpineLock gave us the ability to join multiple buildings' parts together structurally, but also to create an airtight, weathertight seal at the joint. That then led to the ability to aesthetically join the building together, so internally you would never know the building was ever joined. There's been a big cultural thing in here in terms of the building industry. Everything within a couple of inches is okay. In here, this is an engineering environment. When I asked the guys to cut that, that's 2745.3 millimetres. It's an engineered product, it's not a building product. There's a cultural issue where they've begun to understand, by putting a building together, everything fits.
If you're the first person on this site, the turf's down, the fence is down, the road is down, and we turn up in a day and put your house there. It will take us a couple of days to do some other little bits and bobs, and we've got some small tweaks to get on the way, and I'd love to get the energy companies to play ball and turn up and give me meters on the day I want them. They're the challenges ahead of us. But if you're that first person in, you've done all the work. All that's next door to you is the foundations for the next house. So you buy, you go off to work, you go out, you come back, you have a neighbour. Think about it. Think what that means to the community.
So it gives me enormous pride to officially open this home and wish SpineLock a prosperous future in Mansfield with this very special product. Very open.
The hopes of the business are to demonstrate that multiple technologies can be brought together by using simple joined-up thinking. The design set out to bring together multiple layers of renewable technology and dispelling a lot of the blue smoke and mirrors that shrouds the sustainable renewable industry. Joined-up thinking was required to get solar working with thermal, working with heat pumps, working with underfloor heating systems, etc. And the SpineLock houses became the platform for us to inject these technologies on an understandable level, but with the joined-up thinking that makes the systems work together.